Hello from Amed. I think it's the last time to go to Agong. Looks really good. The Galungan is almost over. So there is a rule. I think 13 days before any big celebrations, you cannot do the hike to the top of the Agong, just because it's like it's a holy place. Actually, the Agong is a place where all the gods live. So if there is any celebrations, it's not okay to bother them. That's what is the belief of local people. And so the last one is the Kuningan. Kuningan is when it's the end of the celebration. Challenges continued. Just this time it will not be a challenge for me. Maybe it will be a challenge for me as well, but today someone will try the diving for the first time. Yeah, that will be a challenge also for both of sides. For one side to do her first breath underwater. For me to do everything to make these people feel comfortable. You know what I'm actually happy about, that during these pandemic times we're still able to live in a place where we're enjoying the place. So it's a place, it's our dream place, the place we've been always wanted to live. We can, even it's a really hard times, we still have some courses coming and it's keeping us in some balance. I can still share my passion with the people who's trying diving for the first time or just doing courses. I can fix problems people got in a diving, and maybe they thought that they will never dive again, but I can fix these problems. I cannot imagine myself in Latvia at the moment where is all this pandemic madness. I'm able to see every single evening this beautiful sunset, and it's quite tough actually because we don't have any tourism left. But I think at the moment the only way we're surviving is the people who living in here, and then somehow they find us. And we became like, I start to remember how I was working in Latvia, what I had the dive center there. It's like we're working Saturdays, Sundays, and mostly it's like the dive center becomes like a club, where is a small group of the people who diving with you, and then there's all this party going around the dive center. Like for example, we doing this short trips to Chandidasa with the people whom we know. It's always the same people, kind of same people, and we know already how many bars everybody is using, how is their buoyancy and other stuff. So that's the thing is, and that's actually kind of great. And I think that's how I see actually our future. Then we're gonna have like a local customers who's living here, and continuously diving with us, and then we have someone who's coming in. At the moment we have only those who are living here, and so yeah, maybe in the nearest future we will organize a trip to Rajampat and there will be only in this group, there will be only those people who are living here. Some of the people living here just because they stuck in during the pandemic time, and then they decided that there's no point to go back home just because it would be complete madness. So it was better to stay here. Even the beaches was closed in the beginning, but it was better to be here than there. And I don't know, I have no regrets. I'm just happy to be here. I'm just happy to serve the people who are here. I'm just happy to be useful for them. Mahide is leaving. They're leaving tomorrow, and we have a great place to have a dinner or just have a beer after the long day diving. It's about the sunset time. I didn't film today that much underwater just because when the people are for the first time in the water, it's not really responsible to take any videos, and it's like a kind of also prohibited by standards. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.